Alright guys, check it out. Morimoto LED lights. For 120 bucks, it's a very efficient way to upgrade the brightness of your headlights. So let's check it out and see if it is as real as they advertise. So stay tuned. First thing I'm gonna do is remove the headlights because it allows me to have more room to work. And I'll show you exactly why in just a minute. All right, it looks like a mess, but it's really easy, guys. There's 2 screws right on top, 2 screws inside. The first one goes on the top here to remove the side marker. The second one is on the inside on the frame right here. And those 4 release this. Harness right here pops off the headlight, and right now you can just go right in there and access the headlight. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I have the headlight bulb out, as you can see here. This is the kit. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take everything out without losing everything. Okay, so here's the bulb, and there it is compared to the OEM halogen, and you can see that it's got its 2-stage cooling system right here, and then the harness that comes along with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I looped the harness through the metal thing that secures the OEM bulb in. Obviously, as you can tell, I'm not finished installing here, but this is what it looks like. Much brighter than the current outgoing light, and just not completely dark out yet, but you can see it even in the daylight how bright this is. Let's test the high beams. Those are really bright. Oh my god, look at inside. That is pretty awesome. Hopefully we don't have any hard times watching the road at night anymore. I know Melanie was complaining a lot, so this is pretty sweet. Factory wire here that secures the bulb does fit over. You just got to give it an extra push. So I'm on the second one. Just figured I'd note that because I'm gonna go back to this one and fix that. Look at those lights. Look at those lights. Those things are bright. But they do make an H7 kit like this, so if you have a Saab 9.5, you can get H7s for your Saab. These are H4s if you're in the 9.3. Just so you know, I made that mistake, because as you all know, I used to drive a 9.5, so I'm used to seeing H7s. Pretty bright, guys, they're pretty bright. The only thing that I need to do, which I just ordered on Amazon, is a resistor to eliminate this front light warning. Obviously we don't have any issues, but the road is nice and bright. Hope you liked this video. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.